In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Robinhood Futures. Getting started with futures trading on Robinhood involves a few essential steps. Let's walk through them together, ensuring you're fully prepared and confident in the process. First things first, you need to make sure you're eligible. To trade futures on Robinhood, you'll need a Robinhood individual investing account. In addition to that, you must have margin investing enabled or be approved for options trading on your account. If you find that you don't have either of these, unfortunately, you won't be able to apply for futures trading. This requirement is important because it ensures you have a certain level of financial capability and experience, which is crucial for handling the complexities of futures trading. Now, once you've confirmed your eligibility, it's time to open the futures application. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Next, tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in futures. Select any futures contract listed. Once you have it, tap on Trade, then choose either buy or sell. This action will initiate the futures onboarding process. It's a straightforward path that leads you directly into the application, making it easy to get started. With the application open, the next step is to complete it. Robinhood will ask you a series of questions. These will cover your investing experience, financial situation, trading knowledge, and risk tolerance. Answer these questions honestly and thoroughly before submitting the application. This honesty is crucial as it helps Robinhood assess your readiness and suitability for futures trading. Remember, being truthful here is not just about compliance, but it also ensures you're protecting yourself from taking on more risk than you can handle. Once you've submitted your application, you'll need to wait for approval. Robinhood states that the review process can take up to 72 business hours. During this time, they will evaluate your application carefully. You'll receive both an email and an in-app notification once a decision has been made. Waiting can sometimes be the hardest part, but rest assured, this step is necessary to ensure everything is in order. After you receive approval, it's time to fund your account. Deposit the necessary funds into your Robinhood investing account. Remember, Robinhood calculates a separate futures buying power amount for futures trading. This allocation is critical as it determines how much you can trade in futures, separate from your regular investing funds. Before diving into trading, it's important to note some crucial risks. Futures trading uses leverage, which means you can potentially face losses greater than your initial investment. Additionally, Robinhood requires a minimum account net liquidity of $1,000 to trade futures. This ensures you have enough cushion to manage market fluctuations. Futures trading is available nearly 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, giving you plenty of opportunities to engage with the market. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to trading futures on Robinhood. Remember, while futures can offer exciting opportunities, they also come with significant risks. Always trade responsibly and within your means. Thank you for watching and happy trading.